Hello, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna take you to a place where time stands still, where history speaks through stone, the majestic Ellora Caves. These are not just ancient rock cut temples, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stood strong for over 1500 years.
Hello, and it's the day 7 and here we are in Aurangabad. ഇത് ദൗലത്താബാദ് ഫോർട്ട് എന്നല്ലേ കൊടുത്തിരുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് എല്ലോറ പോയിട്ട് വരാം. ദേവഗിരി ഫോർട്ട്.
Ellora Caves isn't just one temple. It's a collection of 34 magnificent caves divided into Hindu, Buddhist and Jain temples. And trust me, no picture can ever capture the true scale of this place. And then I saw it, the Kailasa Temple, the crown jewel of Ellora. This is the largest monolithic rock-cut temple in the world, carved from a single mountain over 1300 years ago. Imagine this, an entire temple double the size of Parthenon in Greece, chiseled out of solid basalt rock. No bricks, no separate pieces, just one giant masterpiece carved from the top down, with 10 generations working on it and taking over 200 years to completion. Historians say it took over 200,000 tons of rock to be removed to create this temple. But what's truly amazing is no modern tools were used, just chisels, hammers and pure human brilliance. As you walk through the temple, you are surrounded by stories frozen in stone, including the scenes from Ravana and Mahabharata. The elephants under the Kailasa Temple at Ellora are intricately carved from the same monolithic rock. Positioned at the base, these majestic elephant sculptures serve as symbolic support, appearing to bear the weight of the grand temple above them. Among the breathtaking scenes of the Ramayana and Mahabharata, the most striking panel was the mighty Ravana lifting Mount Kailash in an act of supreme arrogance. As the demon king shakes the sacred mountain, Shiva, seated in deep meditation, simply presses his toe to the ground, trapping Ravana beneath it. If you have ever held an Indian 20 rupee currency note, you might have noticed an awe-inspiring structure etched into its design. A majestic stone pillar, a silent witness to the craftsmanship of a lost era. Standing tall within the temple complex, this intricately carved pillar is a testament to India's unparalleled architectural heritage. Ellora isn't just about the Kailasa Temple. There are so much more to explore. The Buddhist caves with their stunning meditation halls and the Jain temples known for their detailed sculptures. One of my personal favorites is Cave 10, the Vishwakarma Cave, also known as Carpenter's Cave. It is the only Buddhist cave having a massive Buddha statue. The hall has a vaulted roof in which ribs have been carved in the rock, imitating wooden pattern. As I rode away from Ellora, I couldn't stop thinking how they do this. No machines, no technology, just vision, dedication, and centuries of hard work. Ellora isn't just a historical site, it's a testament to human creativity and perseverance. This was just one stop among the numerous wonders of incredible India. In the next episode, we will be exploring the Ajanta Caves, another architectural marvel. So, if you are enjoying the series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the road.